Hello, Your Honor.
Hi there. Mr. Muela, you have a warrant for your arrest out of district court for aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. Can you afford an attorney or do you need a court-appointed attorney?
Court appointed would be preferred.
Absolutely. I mean, if you're able to hire your own and you want to do that, you can always say no to the court-appointed attorney. All right, Ms. McNeese?
Your Honor, Mr. Is it
Muela.
Muela? I was like, I told you I'd say it wrong. Mr. Muela has lived here his whole life. His whole family is here. He has a job at JBS, and he's supposed to be at work at 3 p.m. today. He could lose his job if he's unable to get to that job. And he stated his family might be able to put up about $2,500.
I'm going to set your bond the amount of $30,000. Your bond conditions are not to break any laws of the state of Texas or any other state, and you must abstain from the use or possession of any illegal, dangerous drugs, narcotics, marijuana, and alcohol unless under the direction of a physician while on bond. Thank you.
Sometimes. Make sure it's shut. There you go. Step right up here, speak right in that mic.
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Edwards, you have a warrant for your arrest out of district court. This is for theft of property greater than equal to $2,500 less than $30,000.
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
you afford an attorney or do you need a court-appointed attorney?
I need a court-appointed attorney.
Absolutely. Ms. McNeese?
Your Honor, Mr. Edwards lived here for the last 4 to 5 years. His sister does live in town. He is not currently employed, but he is looking for work. Due to the unemployment, he said he might be able to pay anything under $500 toward a bond. So we ask that those circumstances be reflected.
Hey, excuse me, ma'am, Your Honor. I have court next month. If there's any way I can get kind of a low bonds just so I can be able to get my final affairs done. So I have court on the 9th of next month. I'll be gone.
So you're currently on bond?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In Potter County?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you know which court?
I'm honestly not sure on that, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, I won't do a no bond, but I will set your bond the amount of $7,500. You have 2 bond conditions. You may not break any laws of the state of Texas or any other state, and you must abstain from the use or possession of any illegal, dangerous drugs, narcotics, marijuana, and alcohol unless under the direction of a physician while on bond. And while on bond, you are to have no contact with co-defendant Leopoldo Sanchez Meneres Jr.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. I appreciate you.
All right. Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
Zach?
Speak right now, Mike. Judge.
Sure.
Speak in that.
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Coleman, you have a warrant for your arrest out of district court for theft of materials, aluminum/bronze or copper or brass. Can you afford an attorney or do you need a court-appointed attorney?
I'll take a court appointed right now.
Yes, sir. If you are able to hire your own, you can always say no to the court-appointed attorney.
Yes, ma'am.
Your Honor, Mr. Coleman has lived in Amarillo all of his life. He is currently not employed, although he is looking for work. He has reported to me that he has never been convicted of a felony and that he could put up about $500 towards a bond today. So we ask that those circumstances be reflected.
Okay. I'm going to set your bond the amount of $10,000. Your bond conditions are going to be break no laws of the state of Texas or any other state. You must abstain from the use or possession of any illegal, dangerous drugs, narcotics, marijuana, and alcohol unless under the direction of a physician while on bond. You must, within 72 hours of release of bond, you're ordered to wear or carry a GPS device and pay for associated cost. And you must remain in your home between the hours of 9 p.m. and 6 a.m. unless you are working during those hours on your way to work or on your way home from work. All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Here, speak right that mic.
Where?
Yeah, right here. So you can speak.
Hello.
Hello. Good morning. Mr. How do you pronounce your last name?
Hermotropolis.
Boy, was I off.
No, I was kidding. Hermosillo.
Hermosillo?
Hermosillo. I mean, Hermosillo is how you say it, I guess.
Okay. I've determined probable cause for fail to ID fugitive, intent to give false information. Can you afford an attorney or do you need a court-appointed attorney?
I needed a court appointed.
Absolutely. Are you currently on bond, sir?
No, ma'am.
Okay. If I were to set you a personal bond, can you tell me that yes, you would show up for your court hearings?
Yes.
Do you have a location that you're receiving mail?
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to set you a $500 personal bond. You just want to make sure that you show up for all of your court hearings. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right. Thank you.
Oh, ma'am,
Yes, sir.
you said that that you found probable cause.
I determined probable cause. Yes. What that means,
Um,
just enough that you would have to bond out, but you're going to be bonded out on a personal bond.
She doesn't know any of the facts of your case. She just knows what's on the police report. What you told me, you need to talk to your attorney about that. They can fight that charge out.
I was wondering why she said the probable cause. Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Step right up here. Speak right in that mic, okay?
Mr. Baker, I've determined probable cause for driving while intoxicated. Can you afford an attorney or do you need a court-appointed attorney?
I would prefer a court-appointed attorney, but I could probably afford one.
If you want to get your own attorney and you hire your own attorney, that's great. If you are unable to hire an attorney and you want an attorney, you can, anytime before you enter a plea of guilty, you can stop and ask for a court-appointed. So for now today, I'll go ahead and put you down, yes, for a court-appointed attorney, but if you're able to hire your own, you can stop that process and say no to the court-appointed.
Yes, ma'am.
Ms. McNeese?
Your Honor, Mr. Baker has lived here all of his life. He works for Duke Electric right now. He's supposed to be in today. He might be at risk of losing that job if he's not able to get out and make it to the job. He has explained to me he's never been convicted of a felony. As far as family here, he's got wife, kids, brothers, sisters, and he stated he could put about $200 towards a bond today.
I'm going to set your bond the amount of $1,500. Your bond conditions are going to be don't break any laws of the state of Texas or any other state. You must abstain from the use or possession of any illegal, dangerous drugs, narcotics, marijuana, and alcohol unless under the direction of a physician while on bond, and you may not drink any alcoholic beverages while you're on bond.
Yes,
All
ma'am.
right. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, thank you.
John Duggan.
Step right up here. Speak right in that mic.
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Duggan, I've determined probable cause for driving while license invalid with previous conviction or suspension for driving without financial responsibility. Can you afford an attorney or do you need a court-appointed attorney?
I'll probably need one.
Okay.
I'm not sure on that question.
I'll put you yes for now. If you're able to hire one, then you can say no to the court-appointed. But this way, we've started the ball rolling to get you the court-appointed.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Ms. McNeese?
Mr. Duggan, I'm gonna ask you a couple of questions, but I want you to answer like a top.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you live here in Amarillo?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have family here?
Yes, ma'am.
Who's here?
My sister, I have a paraplegic sister that I take care of kind of off and on, and my mother, all my family's here.
Are you currently employed?
I do construction, yes, ma'am.
Okay, and when's the next time you're supposed to go to work?
I'm supposed to be there today,
Are you at risk of losing that job if you don't show up?
possibly.
And how much, if any, could you put towards a bond today?
I'm not sure, but I don't have anything in my pocket, but I mean, I could probably come up with something if I.
Mr. Duggan, I'm going to set you a $500 personal bond. Can you tell me that, yes, you will show up for your court appearances?
Yes, ma'am.
So anytime you get a notice in the mail telling you to appear for court, you also have 2 outstanding tickets with JP3. Don't forget those. Go get those taken care of. On a side note, your license looks like to me with what I'm seeing that your license is suspended. I don't know why it was suspended, and that's okay. I'm going to tell you that you could start the process of getting an occupational license. You have to fill out some paperwork. You have to get a certain insurance at SR22. You have to pay your administrative fees to get your license back. But this would make you legal to drive on the street. You have to be able to prove that you have an essential need. to drive, which having a job and looking for a job would be one. Start that ball rolling. You can go to any JP office in the county that you live in, or you could talk to your court-appointed attorney and see about going to county court. Your court costs are a lot higher at that level than they are at JP level, which I think is $54. But it would make you legal on the street, and you would stop getting pulled over and getting arrested for this charge if you had an occupational license.
Yes, ma'am. I will certainly look into that immediately.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome to wonder for an ODL paperwork. We have it all at our office, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Out of
How you
here,
doing?
speak right into that mic, okay?
Good morning. How you doing today?
Good morning. Thank you. I'm doing fine. Mr. Estrella, I've determined probable cause for criminal trespass. Can you afford an attorney, or do you need a court-appointed attorney? Mr. Estrella, are you currently on bond for something else?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Set you a personal bond where you don't have to go through a bondsman, and you're released on your own promise that you will appear for court. Can you tell me that you'll show up for your court dates?
Yes, ma'am, I will.
Okay, I'm going to set you a $500 personal bond. Thank you.
Awesome. Thank you. God bless you.
You have one bond condition: don't break any laws of the state of Texas or any other state. Thank you.
Awesome. Thank y'all. I appreciate it.
Step right up here. Shut that door. Wait for it. Step right up here, speak right in that mic. Okay?
Ms. Leonard, I've determined probable cause for criminal trespass. Can you afford an attorney, or do you need a court-appointed attorney?
No, ma'am, and I think there was a misunderstanding. They think I was trying to break into cars. I had drank that day, and I want to say I was just trying to catch my balance. Oh,
We're not here for that. We're not here for that. We're here for criminal trespass
okay.
on Toot and Totem, where you were trespassed before, and I guess you were back on the property, so they called and they wanted to press charges.
You don't know
So,
that I'm from Oklahoma. I'm doing the best that I can, ma'am. I don't know.
okay. Are you currently on bond?
I'm not sure, ma'am. This is a very rare thing to me.
Do you have any other pending cases anywhere else?
Not that I know of.
Okay. If I were to set you a personal bond, can you tell me that yes, you'll show up for your court appearances?
I will try. I'm having issues because, like, every time I turn around, having Social Security, disability benefits, and income, like, I was about to get a car, and every time I turn around, my purse is gone, and somebody's charging something. My mom, I think she's changing out my purchases for cash and stuff, and like, I had a car that I could have, I wouldn't mind, but it's not going to be easy. I will try.
That's not the reassurance that I need. So
I know. That's right.
I'm just going to set you a $500 bond.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Miss McNeese, you've had an opportunity to talk to Miss Leonard.
Not at the moment. I will be doing it afterwards. We couldn't get her after before.
Okay. I was just wondering if I thought a 1622 might be beneficial here. And I think I'm going to order that. So what I'm going to do, Miss Leonard, I'm going to order a 1622. So what this means is within 30 days of bonding, I want you to have a mental evaluation done to see if there's any assistance and any help that can be provided to you to help you out of the situation that you're in and get you on a path.
Yes, ma'am.
Whether it be medications or assistance. And so I am going to, so within 30 days of bonding, let's get a 1622 mental evaluation done.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Miss Williams,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
I'm determining no probable cause today for silent abuse call of the electric commercial communication 911 service.
Yes, ma'am.
What this means is you're going to be released and you're not going to have to bond out on this charge.
Yes, ma'am.
However, be aware that when they present this case to the county attorney's office, if they accept the charges, they will issue a warrant for your arrest.
Yes, ma'am. I understand that, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you, Miss McNeese. You have a nice day.
You